Okay, so now let's focus on how you actually go around these big roundabouts. I'll come to mini roundabouts in a second. All right, so you've got the roundabout here. Ooh, proper circle, right? And then let's just draw these lanes roughly. So exaggerate that a little bit. Good, what is up with my pens? Give me a sec. Okay. Okay, so now we are coming around like this. And this is really important. I've tried to exaggerate a little bit. I should have drawn this one a little bit further in. But what you have to make sure you do is, if you are in this left lane, I'm sure you all know now which way that goes. You got that and you got that. Okay, just to refresh your memory. Okay, so you must make sure you have this sort of angle at the roundabout. Do not be straight, because what will happen is, I've got another video on that, you will end up going straight like that, which is super dangerous. Okay, so get your angle, follow the shape of the curb. Okay, it's really important. Angle your car like this, follow the shape round the roundabout. It's a circle, do not square it. Okay, we can't go straight to a circle, think of it like that. Okay, so as you come round, you need to follow the shape round like that. Really important. Okay, if you are in the middle lane, follow the shape round like this. Okay, there is no lane changing. Okay, do not do that. Obviously, if there's no cars next to you and you mirror and you signal and you lane change, okay, fine, but you don't need to. Most exits are wide enough. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. And if you are going left, it's super easy. You're going to leave like that. Now when it comes to going right, okay, so what happens is, you're going to be in this right lane, you're going to have your right signal on, you're going to come round and stay in this lane. Now sometimes you have something called like spiral roundabouts, but I won't go into that yet. This is exit number 1. This is number 2. Okay, and let's say we want to leave at number 3. Okay, I hope this is all clear in the video, but let's see. Anyway, so we are now here. We are signaling right. Okay, we have gone past exit 1. We are now almost in line with exit number 2. Our car will be roughly like this. At this moment here, when you're roughly in line with it, okay, as a guideline, you're going to switch your signal to left. Notice the difference, it's on the right, switch it to the left. Your car should now slowly, while checking your side mirror, your interior mirror as well, making sure no one's coming around like this. Okay, you're gonna smoothly, I call it slide and glide. All right, so you're gonna slide across slowly and safely. No matter how experienced you get, this is still always a risk. Okay, that lane change and checking, making sure no car is here coming towards you like this. Okay, you're gonna smoothly follow it round. You're now in the middle lane roughly. Okay, you have the option, this is not the best drawn now, but you have the option now of leaving on that outer exit. Okay, or if it is super clear around this area here, you can smoothly carry on your slide and glide and leave on the outside. Now there's pros and cons to doing both. Okay, so let's say you pick option number 1, which is 1 lane change. You have to leave this lane because this lane comes around again. Okay, I don't know if it's all getting a bit too messy, but this lane leaves and goes around again. So you've changed into this center sort of lane now. Okay, you are now here. Okay, if you leave here, there is less lane changing now for you to do at the early stage. So you leave and it's a lot easier, and I tend to do this a lot. Okay, and I leave because then I know I've got the confidence to, and experience to carry on going faster, and I will leave and come back to the left lane later. Okay, don't lane change near a junction, it's just too risky and dangerous. The other option is you do the hard work of lane changing again here, and then you're free in this left lane to continue. No more lane changing generally as you get further ahead, because you're already in the left side. So a little bit of extra effort at the start will help you towards the end, and a little chilled at the start, then you just do the hard work later on of lane changing. So that's the general guideline for lane changing if you're going right third exit. Okay, when you're going straight ahead, you will stay lane 1 to lane 1, lane 2 to lane 2, and lane 3 to lane 3. Remember this, there is no lane changing at the start. Okay, another little thing that can happen, let me draw another, so that's basically the general gist on big roundabouts. I hope that's kind of clear. I'll go through all of this a bit better hopefully later, but it just literally just popped in my head that I keep meaning to do this, and I should have written out like a little plan of exactly what I want to go through. But anyway, hopefully it's going to help you there anyway. All right, just bear with me.